Hey guys, it's Nick here with Parks Detailing, and today we're going to be going over the four most common uses here in the shop we have found for American Detailer Garage Wipeout. First is going to be your rinse-free wash. We recommend using between 1 and 1.5 ounces of wipeout solution per gallon of water, depending on how filthy the vehicle is. And the way you're going to use this is essentially how you would use a normal car wash. The only difference is there's no rinsing required. You can go straight to your drying step after washing the vehicle. The second use we found is a clay lubrication at 1:10 dilution ratio. We like to use the Clean Super Clay Mitt with Wipeout to help decontaminate the surface. It works really well, provides a lot of lubrication. And the third use we found is a waterless wash and quick detailer at a 1:32 dilution ratio. We really like the Plush Plus HDs from Clean or a zero finish. This is great as a waterless wash or a quick detailer, whichever you choose. And the fourth use we have found is a glass cleaner at 1:256 dilution. So you don't need very much product at all, and it works great with a Clean Glass Shine HD or a standard glass shine.